Hi guys, sitting in the car park in Yate shopping centre, waiting for Nanny to come back. I've been charity shopping and I bought 2 items. I rather like the look of this one. It's a wooden slot together kit, but it's all in foreign writing. Cost me £1.50. I do like my wooden kits. I'm hoping I might be able to scan that one in afterwards. And then the other thing I picked up was this thing. Now you may have seen I do quite a few games on my phone. I put them on my number 4 channel. So we'll give that one a go. £2.99, and your phone slides in the middle of it and it connects up wirelessly, hopefully. So it may not work, but I thought for £2.99 I'd give it a try. So there'll be a separate video on that. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel, and down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.